Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with another dumpster diving haul video, and then just a fun little thing I wanted to show you afterwards as well. Before we get into this video, my last video kind of blew up a little bit, so I know that most of my normal viewers probably will be seeing this video, and probably not a lot of people who are the new people who watched that one, but thank you guys so much for the success of that video, I guess. And I also wanted to say that hopefully within the next week, I will have my final, maybe not final, but current house tour up for you. I mean, I love it. It's looking great. It's so nice. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm going to have two videos of that. One where I talk through everything. I'll tell you all the changes I made and the total cost of everything. Break down stuff like that. And then I'm going to do another one where it's just not me talking at all. It's just before and after pictures and videos. So look out for those within the next week or two. I just have a little tiny bit more to do that I'm working on. But I have to find a new app because if you heard in a few videos ago, I did some live diving on New Year's Day at Aldi, a bunch of Aldis, and I haven't been able to share it with you because I can't, like the app that I've always used to combine videos is just not working anymore for some reason. So I'm going to have to find a new app. So I just included some of those things in this haul. And I mean, it's been 3 weeks now, so a lot of it has been used and finished. But a few things I've had in the freezer, so those I can still share with you, but everything else is new from the past few days. So before we get into the haul video, I haven't checked in the past few days, but I checked a little while ago and I had 4 more cards in my P.O. box. This is my P.O. box if you want to pause and write that down, or it's in my community posts a little bit ago and the description of my channel, I believe, like the actual channel description. But this is the P.O. box, and I think these are all holiday cards. Let's see, this one's from John and Jenna in New Jersey, and they even included this really pretty little bracelet. It says Seek. This reminds me of the Polar Express, you know, when he punches their tickets and they all get different words. That's what that reminds me of. So thank you guys for that. This one is from Deanne. Thank you, Deanne. This one's cute because it was homemade. And this is from Linda. Thank you, Linda. And this one, they also included these cute little Post-its. But I'm not sure who this is from, but they're from Canada. So thank you so much for that as well. It's always fun seeing cards in the P.O. box. So I have that open until the end of May, just for fun. But thank you guys again. So let's get into the haul now. This side of the table is all from Aldi. We have a tiny bit of Big Lots back there, and then some CVS. So let's start with Aldi. I got a whole bunch of onions, and normally I wouldn't take this many. I probably only would have taken one. However, I took all of these because I want to try to make my own onion powder. I saw a video of somebody doing it. You just slice them really thin. They had a dehydrator. I do not. But you just dehydrate them and then grind it up. So I thought that was super cool. I want to try to make my own onion powder. I also have an onion, now that I think about it, that I found on New Year's Day. I chopped that up that day and froze that, as well as 2 bags of jalapenos and a bag of potatoes. Those are all chopped up and frozen. I actually still have a few of the potatoes that are not frozen because potatoes last a very long time. So those are technically included in this video. Sorry, side note. I still want to show you guys some recipes that I make from things in the dumpster. So I'm still going to share some of those with you. I've actually recorded one, just a smoothie recipe. And I have a lot of other things that I can make with things I have found here. Oh, I have eggs as well. I'll show you those in a second. But so I will get that out eventually. And then right here I have a pack of green bell peppers and a pack of orange and red. There are a bunch more of these. I'm not a huge bell pepper fan, but I do like the thought of them. So I will chop these ones up and probably freeze them as well for cooking and things like that. And these are good and sturdy and nice and fresh, so that's cool. I have a bag of oranges. One is a little smushed and moldy, so he will go, but the rest are great. I have a thing of celery. Again, celery, I suppose I should say it. There was a ton of these. I only took one because I am not a fan of celery whatsoever. However, I am going to, again, chop these up and freeze them for some soup that I'm going to make with my dumpster finds. I have celery, onion, potato, cheese, beans, stuff like that. I have some more sliced mushrooms. I still have a few of these in the freezer. These will also go into the freezer just so they last a little bit longer. I have 3 lovely, lovely pineapples. I love pineapples. I will cut these up and freeze probably 2 and then eat one of them fresh. I have a bag of pitas. These are great for recipes that I'm going to share with you. This is a thing of cheese, and again, I found this on New Year's Day, so that's why it's open, because I personally used it. It was not open when I took it from the dumpster. Absolutely not. The date is May 14th. Obviously, with things like cheese and meat, you have to be cautious, but I took it, I ate it, and I feel great. I have some baby spinach. Again, I have had this for a very long time, and if you can see, the date on that is January 5th. Today is the 23rd, and this is still great. So a lot of times, the dates on things don't correlate to when the food goes bad. But I am probably going to freeze these too. I have started eating the bottom one a little bit, but just because I like to cook with them and put them in smoothies. This I was pumped about to find again on New Year's Day. It is chicken bone broth. So again, I would make some soup with this, and I will share that recipe with you hopefully once I get everything that I want from it to be able to share with you. Also from Aldi, I have a 12-pack of store brand Diet Cola. So if we're being honest, I will drink those. I do drink Diet Coke. I know it's not the greatest thing for you, but I will drink those. From Aldi still, I have some laundry detergent. The cap is broken, but that is perfectly fine with me. I will definitely put that to use. I have 2 packs of ladies turtlenecks. This one is a size small with a black and red. This one is a size large with a black and a white, so that's cool. And then I have this full pack of Gatorade. It's just that this one fell out. Frost, Glacier Freeze, Crisp and Cool. This is good. Like, I have been going to the gym, if we're being honest. So, like, if I wanted to drink that, I suppose that'd be a good time. There's just so much sugar in these. So much. But, yeah, full pack of blue Gatorade. And then the last few things from Aldi over here. I had 2 giant things of blueberries, so I just put those in there, froze those up. Again, I'm going to share a recipe with those being used with you. These would be great in smoothies and stuff too, but I'm going to try to make like a tart. I have a bag of Seed-tastic bread that I froze. I had 2 of these mushroom raviolis, but I ate one of them. Super delicious. This one has been frozen. That's why it looks a little funky. Yeah, delicious. And then I have a spinach and pesto pizza. Again, it's frozen. That's why it looks like this. But spinach and like pesto-ish white sauce pizzas are my favorite. I do not really like red sauce at all. And then a few quick last things that I kind of forgot about. I have this thing of butter, which again was a great find. Yeah, so I will use that in recipes. Was very happy to find that. And then I have a dozen eggs. The thing is a little squishy because I mixed and matched. So there was a whole bunch of broken egg cartons that had some good and some broken. So I took the broken ones out of this one, which were over here, and replaced them with good ones. And now I have a dozen good eggs. They're just in a strange carton, so I'll have to fix those up. And then, sorry for this strange filming here. One last thing, if I can find it. Oh, yeah. I got, this is from Dollar General, actually. 2 pounds of Great Northern beans. These just had like a residue on the outside of them, like the outside of the bag. That's why it was thrown out. But, again, I will use that in soup. All right, moving on. Let's do CVS. I have a thing of Ice Mountain natural spring water. There's one missing. So, garbage it was. I do not buy bottled water because it's just completely unnecessary. I use a refillable water bottle that I just fill with my tap. But I do find bottled water very often. So I will drink it sometimes, and I won't feel guilty about it because it was already in the garbage. But I also do things like use it for my neti pot and water plants with it and stuff. That's not CVS. We'll come back to that. I have 2 things of Rice Krispie Treats Snap Crackle Poppers. They're just like chocolate-covered Rice Krispie Treats. 2 things of Almay Length and Lift Mascara. I don't think I've bought mascara in 5 years because I find it. Some beef jerky. There were more in there, and even the sticks, but they just kept falling down, and it wasn't worth it for me to wrestle with them. I have a value pack of Robitussin Day and Night. Cough and chest congestion. I think this is liquid. Yeah, it sounds like liquid. And the date is 3/21. So, I mean, I'll keep that in my cabinet just for safekeeping if I ever need it. I have 3 things of olive oil edge control. Again, there were more of these, but they kept falling and I couldn't grab them. I mean, I was there for a while and I just couldn't get them. And then I have 2 of these honey nut sweet and salty Chex Mix, which are okay, but then the regular, oh no, these aren't regular, the cheddar Chex Mix, which are delicious. And last thing from CVS is this pack of Juniper Surface Wipes, powerful cleaning with bleach, so that's a great find. Alright, let's do TJ Maxx. I just got a few things. I was hoping for a big Christmas haul like I found 2 years ago, but guys, I think I missed my opportunity, so of course I'll keep looking, but no big Christmas haul for me so far. I got this adorable little plaid rabbit. He's like a little ceramic paper mache type thing. His little tail broke off, but honestly, it took me a while to even find what was wrong with him because he is perfect. And then I have this blue pot. It did have a built-in saucer, which is honestly just decoration because there's no drainage hole at the bottom. The back broke. I do have the pieces for it in there, but honestly, I'm going to try to pop the whole saucer off, and then I can just use the pot in a hanging plant. So, of course, I will show you that when I do my house tour. And then also from TJ Maxx was marked down to 0. Let me find it. Right there. That's what TJ Maxx and Home Goods and stuff do when they throw things out. This Infinity Pro by Conair blow dryer. I do not have a blow dryer. I'm not like a blow dryer person, but this one's brand new. So if I do keep it, I'm sure it'll be great. If not, I will give it to somebody else. But brand new, wrapped in packaging. So I will let you know if it works or if it doesn't. And then last few things here are from Big Lots. We'll start here. This just says Happy Easter, cute little sign. Both of the rabbits have broken ears. So what I think I'm going to do is just pop this bottom guy off. I mean, he's barely hanging on anyways. I'm just going to pop him off, throw him out, pop this one off, and move it to this side so that his good ear is on the outside, and this broken ear won't be a problem at all. And then this super cute little guy right here is just a turtle. I thought he was a toy at first because he's so animated and cartoon-like, but he's actually garden decor. So I think I'm definitely going to keep him and put him outside in the springtime. This white stuff right here is just styrofoam that I have to get off. However, he is broken on the other side. Half of his butterfly is broken, and he's missing a whole front foot. But in a garden with some plants right there, he's perfect. Look how cute he is. I love him. So that's it for the haul. But let me show you my other fun thing I wanted to show you before I do my house tour. Don't look at anything, just the ground, which you guys have already seen. I got a pet. It's going to be kind of hard to see because it is very sunny outside right now, and there's the window. But I got a fish. And a snail, actually. So I found this really cool tank and stand on Facebook for $50. It's a 20-gallon tank. I thought that was a really good deal. So I just have it here in my little spare room with... Let me see if I can find them. They're always hiding. Oh, there's my fish. He likes to hide and he likes to rest. His name is Hermie. He's a betta fish. Very pretty little guy. He's going to show off for you. There he goes. Yeah, so he's a little bit nervous, and I think he's mad at me because he was an only fish for about a month, and then I got him a brother. And he's also, sorry, the lighting in here is just very bad. Let me stand to this side. Okay, can you see him right there? He's hiding as well. He's a snail. His name is Clyde. I will hopefully be able to get a better view of him when I do my house tour, but I think he's kind of nocturnal. Because later on in the day, he'll come and he'll suck all the walls and the plants and slide around and slime everywhere, but he's super cute. So Hermie and Clyde, they live here together in this tank. These are all live plants, and they really have grown a lot. Look at back here. Those are new plants growing off the leaves of that plant. And this thing, I don't know if it's going to flower or what it's going to do, but it's grown a lot. So there's Hermie. He likes to suction to the filter. At first I thought he was like stuck and he couldn't move, but he does it every day. It's like his favorite place to be. So yes, I think it's very cute. I like to just sit here and watch them, and I love all the plants. It's just another excuse for me to get more plants. I even have these little frog bit top things. But yes, so I got a fish tank. I got a fish and a snail, and hopefully they're a little more active when I do my house tour for you guys. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I'll be back soon with more dumpster diving and house-related videos. Thank you.